Hello everybody, myself Professor S.D. Patil from Bhiora Vaisavanta College of Engineering and Research, Nare, Pune. Today we will see how to configure a router on a packet tracer software. First of all, see here, this is a packet tracer software. So in the packet tracer software, for this practical, we will take one switch, then end devices. Here we can take two PCs and one router. Okay, now we have taken these devices on a software. Now we will make a logical connection in these devices. Okay, before that we will connecting these devices physically on a software with the help of wire. So here I am using copper straight through cable, because see we are using copper through thread cable because PC0 and switch 0, these are the different devices. Suppose if we have to connect PC0 and PC1, in that case we will use this copper cross cable, but whenever the devices are different, in that case we are using copper straight cable. So just take the copper straight cable, and with the help of Ethernet cable we will connecting these devices. Similarly, we connect all other devices through cable. So for router, just choose here gigabit Ethernet 0-0-1, fast Ethernet 3. Now see here, this orange and green color shows that connection is in still progress, but once this both signals are green, then connection is successful. So PC0 and PC switch connection is successful. Now PC1 and switch 0 is successfully connected. Now there is a connection is in between router and switch. Here you can see the red signal, that means there is a still no connection is in between switch and router. I will explain the same. Before that we will provide the IP address to PC0 and PC1. So just click on the PC0 desktop IP configuration, put here the IP address. Here I am putting 10.10.10.1. subnet mask, click on the OK. I have given the static IP address. Instead of that you can use the DHCP, which is dynamic host control protocol, but for that purpose you require a server. Now for PC1, again same process, click on the IP configuration. Here 10.10.10.2, subnet mask and close. Now here you can see the router, and for that router also we have to provide the some information, or we can say the some configuration. So here you can see the RIP router information protocol, but we will just go on a gigabit Ethernet 0-0-1. Set the IP address for the router. So we will set 10.10.10.3 subnet mask. So once you set the IP address for the router and port status to be on, here you can see the red and orange signal, and after that you can see the green signal. So from red to green signal, that means your router configuration is done. So we will wait for another few minutes. Yes, now see there is a green signal is in between router and switch, that means the router configuration has been done. So it is very important to have a router connection successfully in a network. Now we will see one simple simulation on this packet tracer software. We will send one message, and then we will check that this network connectivity or the components connected in a network are working or not. For that purpose, simply just click on the edit filters. We will deactivate all another filters. We require only one filter, which is to be a ICMP. Full form of ICMP is Internet Control Message Protocol. So just a minute. Yes, so DHCP, it is not required. And we'll just click on the RIP protocol, router information protocol, and the ICMP. ICMP because see, internet controlling message protocol, because we have to send the message from one PC to another, and RIP protocol because here we are using the router, so router information protocol is required. So I'm just closing the same, and click here on the small arrow so that you will come to know the source and destination where you are going to send the packet or message, we can say. So I am taking one packet, and we have to send this packet from PC0 to PC1. Actually, we will see. Let's see. Play and control. Just click on the play and control, and here you can see the event list. That means the packet, source, destination, and the the packet, start of packet and the end of the packet. Okay. Yes. Okay, so packet sent from PC0 to switch, and from switch to PC1. This is the acknowledgement from PC1 to PC0. This is the way by which we have sent the packet. Now, thank you all.